In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom widget and embed it in Notion. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their Notion workspace with dynamic content and interactive elements. Let's start by opening Indify in your preferred web browser. Indify is a fantastic tool that offers various widgets to integrate with Notion, providing a perfect blend of utility and aesthetics to your pages. Once you're on the Indify website, you'll want to look for the button that allows you to add a new widget. This is usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to find. Click on it, and a world of possibilities opens up. Now, the next step is to select a widget that suits your needs. Indify offers a range of options, from calendars to habit trackers, all designed to work seamlessly within Notion. Take your time to browse through the options. Consider what you'd like to enhance or track in your Notion workspace. Once you've found the widget that captures your attention and meets your needs, go ahead and select it. After selecting your desired widget, it's time to customize it. Customization is key here. This is your chance to make the widget truly yours. You can change colors, adjust settings, and maybe even add personal touches that cater to your workflow or aesthetic preferences. Spend as much time as you need to get everything just right. Your ultimate goal here is to ensure the widget not only looks great, but also functions in a way that enhances your Notion experience. Once you've finished customizing the widget, the next crucial step is to copy the link. You usually find this option somewhere on the screen once you're happy with your customization settings. Copying this link is essential because it's the bridge between Indify and Notion. It's like the key that will unlock your customized widget within your Notion space. With the link copied, it's time to shift over to Notion. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to embed your widget. It could be a dashboard, a planner page, or anywhere you think the widget would be most useful. Once you're on the correct page, click to ensure your cursor is active and ready for input. In the command line, type in a / followed by the word embed. This is a quick command that Notion recognizes to embed objects from other sources. A dialog will appear prompting you to paste the link you copied from Indify. Go ahead and paste it in the provided field. After pasting, click on the embed link button that appears. And just like that, your custom widget is now beautifully integrated into your Notion page. You've successfully customized and embedded a widget in Notion, adding a layer of functionality that is both personalized